Hey everybody, just remember to like and subscribe my video. So let's get to it. So I have a very handy tool that when you're doing brake lines on all these Chevrolet trucks, it's a BRK TH993 brake line, brake cylinder fitting rethreading kit, okay? And this thing comes with 6 rethread kits. So right here, I'm using one right now. I like to reuse the old line nuts because they seem to fit better in the lines than the aftermarket ones. So what this does is this has a die so you can take and run it down to clean the threads out of your old line nuts. So these have 2 different sizes. So that's the one size. So let me go show you on the other end of the car here. Right here, here's the ABS computer on one of the Chevrolet trucks, and I've got this in here running it through, cleaning up the threads. So it's going to make putting the lines back in so much easier. I've already ran it through. If you want to lubricate it with something, be sure you lubricate it with brake fluid so you don't contaminate the system. But these things come in super handy when you're doing brake lines. I don't know if you can really get a good look at it in there. There we go, right there. It's right here. It's a rethread kit. So I'm using it, and you can get in here with your ratcheting wrench to clean these out. This one here was really hard. Now this thing's coming out like butter. So these rethread kits are very, very, very handy to have. I didn't know they made them at first, but now I have them. I love them. So I usually go to the wire wheel and clean these off first, then I run them through the rethreaders, and I run the other end of the rethreaders on the car to make it so much easier to put all your lines back together. All right, everybody. Thanks a lot for watching, and remember, please subscribe. You can do that right in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my automotive videos.